Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest Beauty Loop box, so let's get into it. So I am at level 2 and we're going to be unboxing the July box. So this is a box that comes out every single quarter and I usually do an unboxing. So yeah, make sure you check out my playlist of unboxing videos if you want to see more of the kinds of things that you can get in the Beauty Loop box. Let's dive in, shall we? Alrighty. So the first thing we have is a Clinique product. This is the Moisture Surge 100-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. So I'm assuming it's a moisturizer. I don't think I've tried this one before, so I'm keen to give it a go. Nice. I cannot wait to give it a go. I have not tried that one. Next we have a bigger one, and this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've never really tried Briogeo before, is that how you say it? Briogeo? But I have heard really amazing things about their hair products, and this is a pretty decent sized sample as well, so yeah. I'm actually pretty keen to give that a go. Yeah, my hair definitely needs some TLC at the moment. Next we have this Dermalogica product. It is the Clear Start Breakout Cleansing Foaming Wash. So a face wash. I have heard great things about Dermalogica as a brand, but I haven't really tried them out that much. So yeah, that one is, it's a decent sized sample as well. You could probably get, a handful of face washes out of it. So yeah, that looks like a good one to give a go. And the last sample we have in here is a little Bay 19 fragrance sample. I think I've received these before, but yeah, this is a pretty expensive fragrance brand, if I say so myself. But what I don't like is that the fragrance bottle, it is just a vial of oil. There's not actually a sprayer to spray it on yourself, so I never seem to really use these ones just because they're so inconvenient to use. I don't want to messily spill oil on myself. I'd rather just spray it on, and the small sprayers are definitely my preferred fragrance sample of choice, I guess you could say. And that is all the samples we got in the box this month. So looking at the 4 things we got in the box, I would have to say it is a good box. I just wish that we got at least one makeup product. I feel like they're definitely a bit stingy on the makeup products in the Beauty Loop boxes lately. These three products I'm actually pretty keen to give a go. It's just this one, it's kind of it's so inconvenient to use, and I know it's such an expensive product, but it's just so annoying that I just don't ever bother with them. So yeah, personally, these are good. We've got a moisturizer, hair mask, a cleanser. All would love to give those a go. So in the end, it is a good box, and these 3 are decent sized samples. They're not sachets or anything. They're pretty decent size. This one's just not my cup of tea. I just wish the fragrance sample had either a sprayer built onto it, or it was a makeup product, you know what I mean? Most people shop at Mecca for makeup products, so the fact that we didn't get a single thing in the box is, a little disappointing, but it is what it is. It's definitely not the worst box I've ever had, definitely not the greatest either. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you got in your box. Did you get anything I did? Did you get something different? Are you a level 1 or a level 3? I'd love to know what you guys got in your boxes. And yeah, let's have a combo in the comments. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next quarter. Bye guys.